Hey, my friend, again back in my YouTube channel. I'm running in day three to making the e-commerce website. I just making the hotel, uh, restaurant website. That's called also be so e-commerce website. Okay, so I'm just running on day four. I think day four. So today I just to open this today also I just to open the simple dust okay sim folders as well as to asterisk that's folders I'll just take okay my within my project. So the type to my code is cd, and so project name as the code. Just going on to my code within my code, my project name as the code. I just to give the name as the code. And so now I just back again in my the same folders, same folders, and so I just want to run my that's project again okay, manage the viewer as the area server right now. Okay, I just to drop this for these three code to run my local server to display this to my project on my so URLs in my landing page to okay in my local server after my this project. Okay, you can see just here have taken just a few times with a few seconds. Okay, here I have just loading the few files in here. I already make it all the I just already make out this nav bar and this so home pages already make out and images how, and this images how to also set up in my project. It's very simple. I already discussing about the crucial about how to apply how to implement this kind of template in out this our project. Okay, it's so simple. Okay, like I maximum I just use the maximum font using to answer take out from the font awesomes that font awesomes to if you want to link to on your project. You also be tagged font awesomes to link in here. You can see here have to already link the font awesomes in here. Okay. And so here I have already set out my project. You can see, and so here have I just to maintain something. Our locations map also be displayed in my whole restaurant project. Okay, pass to break, so scroll down. Okay, and so it's fine. Okay, you can see my friend here happy. You can see as to this template is to taken from the cursor. This empty part as to this empty part as to not to fill up to by the images, not to load it the images. Okay, I just to go to on my code, and so I want to loaded all the images on my project because they have not to looking the good my project. So I just to come again back in my code, and so I want to load my images. Already I loaded the static for okay, static load. I already load the static all the files in here. Okay, so static that's files is the static images. You also images need to if you need to okay, load it on your project. You need to at first you need to load it your static that code. And so I again back here, so images static images if you want to okay, load it on your project. So comes the back in here, and so you need to find out your images. Okay, images. I just back. You can see images. Images. Okay, img images. You can see her have just need to okay, it's not to display in here. Control C. It is static. I am images. I am as images. Control V. Control S. This. Yeah. Finally, this pictures also be displayed on our front end page. You can see. Okay, you can see. Okay, my friend. And so again back to here also be displayed your pictures too. Okay, this all the pictures too, we can easy to make your dynamic to put on our project, but now just to display it on our project to making the beautiful our project right now. So we just to manage like static images to put on our project, but we can easy to making the dynamic our project and dynamically to picture all the images to automatically to represent on our project. So just to back again in my code, and so again in here you can see as the again the eating. Okay, I have the simple problems to have here, so that's also be taking the some a little bit errors to display on our code. So be the static, and so I am as images okay, contrast this images, so whereas display to the image, I think. Okay. Eating the JPG, ST, the static, they are here have chop momo, and the cool 5G. So